What's up, Amazon family? Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Bosch laser leveler. It's a green laser leveler. It is the GCL100-40G, as you can see right there. A couple things that you're going to find out about this one. It is definitely the Mac Daddy of the levelers that are out. And kind of a couple things that I did like it is it comes with this great case, and it comes with some attachments that you can actually use to help you level things. So I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what they look like here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up here for a second, and it's easier to kind of show it on that shot. I mean, I can show you kind of here kind of what it looks like and what the actual items look like. So let's go ahead and lay them out for you. So as you can see, this kind of a shoe, and it fits on top of something. You can lock it onto something, and from over here you can lock it into like a stud or something of that nature. I was going to set one up for you guys. What's cool about this is that what it does is you take the back of it, there's a magnet, it can hook on something level, and then what you could do is you take that actual leveler and you just slide it onto it like that, and from here you could adjust where the angle is. Now let's get to the brass tacks and turn this thing on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You can't really see it because of the lighting, but if I move to the side, you can see where it is leveling it with inside the room here. Let me move it up just a little bit higher. And it stays level, doesn't matter how you tilt it whatsoever, it always stays level. There is a couple different modes you could have to where it has one up, down, left, and right, just like some crosshairs. As you can see, if I just leave it alone over here, you'll be able to see it right there to see if I put that barn door up straight behind me. So as you can see that green line going on, it pretty much levels it out. So the beauty behind it, man, is that if you're hanging cabinets, if you're hanging just things on the wall to see if you're level with it or whatever, you're gonna find out that this always keeps a straight and horizontal line, so vertical and horizontal line no matter what. And there is also something you can't see, but it shoots straight up just to make sure that you are directly plumb with wherever it is that you're shooting that laser. Other than that, this has been a fantastic tool to have for me as far as working construction and putting things together, and I'm really happy with the purchase. So, and that green light is good because you can see it during the light. So if you have a lighted area, you don't have to turn it down for a red light, and it is just really potent. So if I were you and you're starting to work on construction and remodeling and you're just trying to set things up, go ahead and take a look at one of these laser levels by Bosch, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Have a nice day and talk to you soon, and enjoy my videos.